Welcome to JF Auto Car, your ultimate destination for car enthusiasts. Today, we bring you one of the most iconic hypercars ever built, the McLaren P1. A true masterpiece of engineering, the P1 combines cutting-edge hybrid technology with extreme performance to create an unforgettable driving experience. Under the hood, the McLaren P1 is powered by a 3.8-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 903 horsepower. This hybrid powertrain allows the P1 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars in the world. The instant torque from the electric motor enhances responsiveness, while the lightweight carbon fiber monocoque keeps the car agile and aerodynamic. The exterior of the P1 is designed for both beauty and function. Its aggressive aerodynamic shape, large rear wing, and active aerodynamics generate massive downforce, ensuring stability at high speeds. The dihedral doors not only add to its futuristic look but also improve airflow, making the P1 a perfect blend of form and function. Inside, the McLaren P1 offers a driver-focused cockpit with lightweight carbon fiber seats, minimalistic controls, and a digital instrument cluster. The racing-inspired interior ensures that every aspect of the car is designed for performance without any unnecessary distractions. Advanced technology, including the IPAS Instant Power Assist System and DRS Drag Reduction System, allows the P1 to maximize speed and efficiency on both roads and tracks. With a top speed of 350 km per hour and limited to only 375 units worldwide, the McLaren P1 is a rare gem in the world of hypercars. It redefined the hybrid hypercar segment, proving that electrification can enhance performance rather than compromise it. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JF Auto Car for more exciting car content. See you in the next video.